Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can get a wallet address on MoonPay. So if you need your MoonPay wallet address for deposits or transfers, then here's how you can find it. So what you will have to do first is, of course, make sure that you've already created your profile, verified your account, activated your portfolio, and all that stuff. And what you will have to do is go ahead and click wallets. And here, you will just have to select the cryptocurrency that you want the address for. So for example, Bitcoin. So what you will have to do is just select this three dots button right here, and then you will just have to click copy address. And yeah, that's basically just it. And if you want to and you could also tap receive, so it should be right here somewhere. So yeah, if you see the receive button, you should your wallet address and your QR code will appear there, and then you could just copy your address as well and share it only with your trusted sources. And you could use this address to receive crypto from exchanges or other wallets. And yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And thank you, and have an awesome day.